Hello everyone, we are back with yet another video, and this time we'll be talking about some effective SEO strategies that you can implement in the year 2022. As you all know, this pandemic has taken a toll in each of our lives, and with this, we have been doing more online shopping, streaming more online movies, and attending all those Zoom meetings for all this while. But SEO has been playing a crucial role for all these organizations. So, as we approach this year, let us know some effective SEO strategies that you can implement this year. Number one, write for humans first and search engines second. Your priority should always be to provide your audience with whatever they are looking for, and that can only come when you write some engaging and fundamentally naturalistic content for them. Just for a tip, keywords also play a very good role here, so try to fit in them wherever you can, as it can elevate your already fulfilling content here. Number two, focus on building relevant links. Another key aspect in domain reputation or site authority is having relevant links. With link building, you not only enhance the information that you're providing, but you also receive reciprocal backlinks through outreach. Number three, use targeted keywords in all the relevant places. This goes without saying that keywords play a massive role in search engine optimization. Not only do they get into the heart of what visitors or what Google is looking for, but it also drives 1000% more traffic than what organic social media does for you. But remember this, do not try stuffing your keywords. Instead, fit them in naturally so it does not disrupt the readability of your content and makes it look all the more natural. Number four, pay close attention to the Google algorithm updates. Google gets more smarter and intuitive by the day. So the core updates and the tweak algorithms come unexpectedly and are constant. So always try to maintain a constant attention to whatever updates Google comes in with. Last but not the least, format content for fidget snippets. Fidget snippets are pretty much ruling SERPs these days. You must be familiar with this term, or you must have heard it here or there somewhere before, but if you're not, first know what are fidget snippets. Fidget snippets are an highlighted answer box that appears at the top of the pages for most of your search queries. So if you have earned a fidget snippets, you are doing something right. Last but not the least, all in all, the SEO landscape is constantly evolving and is expected to reach right here. So wait no longer to play catch up. We as a team of Knotsync not only provide you with the necessary guidance, but also provide you with all the resources and services that are required to carry out your effective SEO strategies and implement them. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website www.knotsync.com and see what change can you make for your organization.